In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to Access Google section. Then make sure that the right Google account is set up and tap on Autofill. Then autofill with Google and passwords. Finally, just click on one of your added passwords that you wish to check. Enter your current screen lock. And finally, select this eye icon next to your password to see it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!